What if the next time you book a ride, there's no driver, and it's powered by a company you've never heard of? This isn't the future. It's already happening. And now, it's going global. At the 2026 Beijing Auto Show, leading robotaxi firms made one thing clear. They're no longer building for China. They're building for the world. Leading this push are two companies. Pony.ai, founded in 2016 with roots in Silicon Valley and China, and backed by partners like Toyota. It was one of the first to launch public robotaxi services in both countries. And WeRide, founded in 2017, now operating across China, the Middle East, Europe, and Southeast Asia, with driverless permits in multiple countries. These aren't startups anymore. They're becoming global mobility platforms, because at home, the scale is already real. Across China, fleets from these companies have already exceeded 1,000 vehicles each. Services are running across major cities like Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen. Millions of rides and massive real-world data already collected. This is no longer testing. This is deployment. That changes everything. Because now, scaling globally actually makes economic sense. And here's the breakthrough. Pony.ai is building robotaxis for under $34,000, cheaper than a Tesla Model 3. That changes everything, because now, scaling globally actually makes economic sense. Now look at what's coming next. WeRide plans to deploy 200,000 autonomous vehicles worldwide within just 5 years. And this isn't theoretical. Partnerships with platforms like Uber aim to enter 15 cities globally. Pony.ai is already expanding into Europe and Singapore. The Middle East is becoming a major launch hub. This could be one of the fastest global rollouts of any transport technology in history. They're targeting regions where regulation is more flexible, governments want innovation, and demand for mobility is high. That's why you're seeing rapid moves into UAE, Saudi Arabia, Europe, Southeast Asia. Three forces are converging. Cost collapse thanks to China's EV supply chain, tech maturity, level 4 autonomy is ready, and global demand. Cities want smarter transport. Now compare that to also a leading tech country like Japan. Companies like Nissan Motor are still preparing pilot programs for 2026. Careful, controlled, measured. Meanwhile, China is exporting at scale. So this is no longer just a tech race, it's a global infrastructure race. And when robotaxis arrive in your city, will robobuses and trucks be next?